Hey guys, we're over here at 4th of July, River Forest. Say hi, Mom. Hi, Layla.
Hi, Dad.
Hi, Andrew. How's it going? Hi, Liv. Hi, Drew.
Hi.
Paisley, your little sister. She's cute.
Presley.
Addie, Elijah, and his buddy over there, Liam. We're gonna see some fireworks over here. Nate's on the drone. How's it going, Nate? Going?
Pretty good.
He's doing some drone footage right now. It's gonna be good, guys. Where's it coming down at? Coming down where?
Right there, you can see it in the air.
You want me to go get it?
Where's it at?
Straight ahead of
Oh my God, Nathan, it's way far away. Bring it over here. You got it? Okay, good. Fourth of July, Liv has her goldfish snacks. What do you rate those from 1 to 10? A what? There goes Drew. She's running off somewhere. There's a drone.
I wanted Andrew, get your butt back over.
Nice. Mom's taking pictures of Andrew and Layla. Say cheese. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Let's see some good fireworks. It's gonna be fun. Nate, is that thing fun to fly?
Yeah, pretty fun.
Is the battery good? I gave you a brand new battery and I put a new battery in
Why
there
didn't
too.
you put all three of them?
Because you don't need all three. All right, this is the driving range. Over here, they're gonna be shooting fireworks off from right there, there, and there, all over the place. Another view of everybody gathered together. Happy 4th of July from Georgia. Thanks for watching, guys.
Thanks for watching, guys.
Thanks for watching.
Thank you.
Look, alive.
Wait, there's food? There's food? There is? I live there. Andrew. For the win. But did Andrew win?
Ready, set, go! Woo! Look at her. Look at her go. Woo! Fast. Nice. Okay, Nate's gonna take off the drone, get some footage. You gonna film all the fireworks from the drone perspective?
Yeah.
All right, cool. they're getting a close-up view of all the fireworks, guys, from the drone perspective. It's getting dark. We got like 4 minutes until the fireworks start, I think. I don't see anybody down there.
Here you are, Libby.
Yeah, you can use my phone.
Pretty.
That was cool.
That's cool. Drew. All right, here it comes. Here it comes.
What's going on?
They're about to start. Those are like signals. You guys getting some good footage?
Yeah, Nathan's getting some really good footage.
Nice. That's what I'm talking, man. Oh, thank you. Oh. Oh, that's cool, babe. Look. Look, that's pretty. Yes. Oh, they're cool. Look at them.
I like the big ones if they're not close. Yeah, they are pretty.
You know, all the different colors, all different chemicals.
Woo! Woo! Those are cool. Oh, that's sick. Getting some good footage.
I'm not
For
doing
the
anything.
fans?
Nathan is.
Get it, Nate Dogg? For the fans. Happy 4th of July, guys.
Happy 4th of July, guys. Hope you guys have a good one. Love you.
Happy 4th of July.
Happy 4th.
Pretty.
Hey, Nate, I'm getting on a recording because that doesn't have recording. Audio, I'm getting on my phone. Look, Nathan, so I can move it to a file. I'm recording the sound. Recording the sound.
Just in case the SD card don't back it up.
It's going to be fine. Oh, that's cool, right, baby?
That's pretty. That's really pretty.
Here, put your- Yeah, it's way better than what we did last year. I'll do it next time.
Dad, oh my God.
Oh, shut up.
I can eat all of them. You gotta let out embarrassed the part of
That's a good one. Damn it. I just didn't like it. Get it, Nadon. Those are cool.
Oh my God, look at that.
Woohoo! I was just doing that for you to. Oh, that's a good one.
Oh, that looks like that.
No.
Oh, that's cool how they shoot it like that. That's really cool. I love that one. I might take this.
You're recording, right? That's awesome. Keep getting it. You gotta get the grand finale. That was a good one. Aim at the fireworks, Nate.
No.
There you go. All right, I think. Oh, wow. think those are as big as dooms?
No.
They're pretty big.
I think they were just the same size, maybe.
You want me to what?
Ooh, those are cool.
Up one.
Yeah, it is. It's awesome. Woo! Looks like a good time. That sucks.
I'm like above the fireworks. I feel like
That thing has some good freaking video quality.
No, it's
Yeah, they like come.
Woo!
Whoa, those are cool.
That was cool. Oh, you left him at the house. It's okay. Just watch the fireworks.
We'll bring them next time.
Live. Glasses. Live. Glasses.
Here.
Just
look.
bring them back. Bring them back to.
You can't see those. You can't see with that on. You want me to wipe your face off? Here, let me wipe your face off. Wipe your face off. There you go.
Not in your mouth. Something.
Oh, thank you. You saw that one blow up
That
at
mommy
the bottom?
loves that color right there. It's like the
Look,
prettiest
look, that's
color.
all gone. Get it, Nate! Remember I used to say that? That was a good, what's that, Nate? Go get one. Hurry up. You got it, Layla. Oh, whoa, those are big. That's a doom right there. Oh, look, those things are high. That's like a doom. Look at him! Look at him! Woo! Oh, they're still going.
How long?
I felt the heat off that. My gosh.
I didn't even get the flamethrower.
You did it?
No, because it was so low to the ground. I thought all the fireworks would be coming.
Holy moly. No, it's a flamethrower, yeah.
They have them set up down there.
Why?
That was cool.
I got that on video.
You did? I gotta get that part.
I filmed it up and down.
Oh my god.
That was freaking cool.
Oh gosh, it's on fire.
Bring it in, bring it in. I see it, it's right there. Here, I'll guard it. A little bit forward. Bring it up a little bit. Nice.
Fireworks show.
Woo! Happy 4th. That was awesome, guys.
That was awesome. That was like probably one of the best fireworks.
The
shows I've ever
flamethrowers
seen.
were cool. Awesome finale. Thank you so much for watching. Happy 4th of July 2024 from Georgia.
America.
Say bye, everybody. Happy 4th of July, Liv. Did you like the fireworks show? Was it fun?
I was with the girl again.
And a girl gave her some glow sticks.
I got a
All right,
bracelet.
Andrew. I'm glad you could join us for 4th. Nice. All right, Liv. That was good. What do you rate that fireworks show from 1 to 10?
It's an Allen.
I love the
It
smell.
only lasted like 20 minutes, I think.
That was so cool.
It was so
So cool. I love that smell. All right, Drew. Happy 4th of July. What did you rate the fireworks show from 1 to 10?
Like 5.
5?
7.
Did you guys like the flamethrowers at the end? It's so hot. All right, guys. Thank you once again. Happy 4th of July 2024. Bye. Thanks for watching, guys. Good night. Bye, Nate Dog. Later. Good filming.
I love this land. God bless the USA. Woo!